We are sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled program. A mysterious flying object has descended from the sky. We now go to our reporter in the field.
Thanks, Bob. I'm here at Westview High School. As you can see behind me is the mysterious spacecraft. We're awaiting information from local authorities who are trying to communicate with it. We'll check back in a bit. Back to you, Bob.
We will continue to update you as this mystery unfolds. Why are they here, and what do they want? And now a word from our sponsor.
Grandma! Where did you go?
I went to the market. I got you guys some goodies.
Yum, we love when you get us goodies. What is that? Is that gum?
It certainly is.
Mom doesn't allow us to chew gum.
Well, you're at Grandma's.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Galaxy Gum. Make your smile shine like the stars.
Welcome back. We are continuing our coverage on the unknown visitor from outer space. Let's check in with Bill.
We're here at Westview High School, where we just saw something come out of the spaceship. We witnessed a large creature emerge from the craft. It's shooting its lasers at us. We need help.
You need to get out of here, man. It's not safe.
Shoot, man, shoot!